The Venom Power Terra Hunter MT Mud Off-Road Light Truck Radial Tire offers an impressive blend of performance, durability, and versatility for off-road enthusiasts. With a robust size of 35x on 12 50R20, this tire is designed to tackle rough terrains with ease, making it an excellent choice for those who frequently venture off the beaten path. One notable feature of the Terra Hunter MT is its exceptional load capacity of 297 pounds, allowing it to support heavy loads without compromising on stability. This strength is complemented by a 10-ply rating, which enhances its durability and resistance to punctures, a critical advantage when driving on challenging surfaces. Weighing in at 68 pounds, the Terra Hunter MT is designed with a 10-inch rim width and a 35-inch diameter, ensuring compatibility with a range of light trucks and SUVs. Its radial construction contributes to better handling and a smoother ride, whether on the highway or off-road, making it a year-round option.